Yep, our car just stopped out of nowhere. We don't know how to fix car. Hey, hello. What happened to our car? This is fun. I don't know. Vacation's been like a blast lately. Anyways, our car stopped. We don't know what to do. So if you guys know about cars, let me know. You're not gonna see this video till I post it, but hey, at least you should teach me, right? So anyways, everybody, welcome back to my vlog. Wait, no, another video. We are on the way to, is that how you say it? Boracay. So pretty much it's like a mini dude, so we're in Boracay, and it's just past like BORACAY, and they're saying that we need PCR tests to be here, which is weird. So I don't know what's going on. Apparently we need PCR tests to just go in this resort, which is kind of crazy. We're ordering food. What's our menu? Stop by this tiny little house, and because we're hungry, and apparently we need a PCR test to go to freaking Hinugtan beach. Sleep, fly everywhere. Just alcohol. Oh, I killed one. I don't know if you guys saw it. Wait, there's another fly. There's another.
Pasubong pwede na ya. Pwede na wala na gani quarantine.
Sigurado nyo na lang pa.
Currently studying. We have to write our name in order for us to enter the resort or the beach. Okay, we are on the way to. Well, we have to hike for like 6 minutes at least. It's downhill. We were up there. We're at the location. I'm very happy right now because I haven't even went swimming yet here in the Philippines. So we're about to see some white sand. We're in Klyde.m. Wait, where are we? Hinugtan Beach Resort. There's reasons why we're here instead of BORACAY, but I'm not gonna tell you the reasons. But yeah, we're just gonna be walking for like a couple minutes. So yeah. Ang daw tunok na?
Anong tayong higa?
Ano? Starfish. Apparently there's a poisonous starfish somewhere. Poisonous. We're here, by the way. It's beautiful. Lots of coconut trees. Trying to find somewhere to sleep later. I mean, I'll be fine sleeping there. It's beautiful here. Holy. Settle in and we'll check out the surrounding later. Oh, I'll be the first one to walk in. Ooh, not bad. We're gonna be staying here for one night. Just a night. So we'll just see you at the beach. I'm gonna like prepare all the stuff. I'm very excited. I might go swimming today. It's crazy. 1 peso for Wi-Fi.
Okay,
So you pretty much put a coin in and you get a free Wi-Fi for like
May 10
for a couple
minutes
minutes.
Wi-Fi ka.
That's crazy.
You have 10 minutes one.
10 minutes for 1 peso for 10 minutes. So if you put in 100, that's like yeah. Ato to tanan. It's right there. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, finally! Oh, my phone almost died. Bro, it's been a while that I haven't swum in the Philippines. It's been like 5 years at least. I end up going to Boracay is because it's complicated. I don't even want to tell you guys, but yeah, this beach is good enough for now. Maybe in February we'll be able to go to Boracay because of the restrictions gonna go down anytime. So we're just gonna enjoy this beautiful beach right here. How you guys feeling? Feeling good. Feel good?
Yeah. So good.
Look at this view. Beautiful. No,
That's the view?
itself. It's nice.
And the view.
You're the view?
And the view. Best view.
There. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Boom. Maglumpat?
Tradition na kami yung live.
Gani, transition na mo. Bahala ka mo kayo. Anyways, we're gonna see what's up there and then sorry, we're doing it.
Take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it, move along.
Question is, how am I gonna get there? They left me by myself and I'm just walking down the island right now. They're over there. I think I might just swim around. Shit. Yo, dito! Kaya ko na sumingon. Upod lang ako sa inyo. Lutaw-lutaw sa likod. Ha? Dili na mo? Oh.
Bato ka. Nangway ka to.
Oh, may.
Alright.
Wait.
Sige.
Lululul. Oh, sige na. Oh, lahat na. Larga.
Alright.
Larga. Alright, y'all. This is what happens when you can't afford when you're on budget. Oh, kamu man na biyo, hold you man daw. Oh, para may video mga mo. Where do I get off from this? Alright. Yeah. Alright, we're about to jump that thing. There's a cliff right there. It's a bit scary, but I'm gonna do it. Alright, I think this is the right way. Is it? I think this is the right way to jump the cliff. God damn it. No, I'm going. 5! Kaya na! I'll send you the video! Yeah! Alright. It hurts. Sorry. Malumpat eh! Da, lumda! Ba't hindi da? Lumblaw? Nah, I'm doing it. No, ikaw na nang. Yeah, ikaw na nang. Kasakit. Di nga lompat na under house. Natandog mo ang dalam? Or wala? Tungkad ya? Bahala na to. Reverse.
Malayo dito lumpat.
Malayo ka kita.
Boracay.
Wait. Ah! 1, 3, 2, 1.
Kaya na ginawa ko sa mo. Kung magsinggit sa nag-brush po nito.
Yo, I'm definitely doing that again. Ano yata niya feeling niya kaya nalang tayo.
Siyang kolto. Say mabalik na ta or mabalik na ta?
Backdive pagid ka?
Hindi magpapday ka?
Go Klyde!
Dito ka lang liwato sa gintapak mo.
Klyde halong, Klyde ah.
Isa ka lang blank.
Basi mo, danlog ka.
Isa ka lang makailog lang nagsindi. Isa.
Hindi mag-backdive.
Ready when you are.
Dali lang.
Wait.
Right.
Ready? In this knot, go lang.
Ready? Go!
Dream come true ka ba? Galaoy sa tatay to.
Kanata ko oras. Sunset na.
Sunset na
Time lapse na.
Dra lang. Sunrise.
Kapag imaras na ta.
Let's go!
Sa likod na niyo. Inuwan na permit niyo, ra. We can't afford. We don't have any money.
Dra lang.
If this was Canada, you won't be allowed to do this. This is like... Dila si Bayang Bugtay. Naman ka rin. Welcome to my vlog. This is number 88 vlog. Me and Buruanga. Welcome to Buruanga.
Subong ka lang. Katoon mo lang dito ka lang.
Kami may drone na galumpa.
Pabalik ka pabi mo.
Ang baby girl mo na lang kami sinyo. Tunga sakit.
Uy,
Tunga lang gamay, hindi tunga. Tunga. Hey guys. guys. So, oh no. Siguro. Look what I'm doing right now. We can't afford to pay for. Oh shit. We can't afford. I can't catch my breath.
Wait, pause. You wanna pause?
Huh?
For a moment?
We can't afford to pay. So that's what we're doing. Let's go. Let's go. I'm doing everything. I'm doing. I think that's the end of the day. Well, that's not the end yet. We're gonna watch the sunset later. We're close by BORACAY, so the sunset's beautiful here. So, we'll see you guys later. All right. There's lean water in my ears. But anyways, that was a blast. I think we're gonna eat right now. Get some food. Drink some water. That shit was salty. Anyways, we're gonna get some food. Relax. Watch the sunset. Guys, look at that sunset in Hinugtan, right? But it's beautiful. Look at that. Anyways, I think I'm gonna go in the water one last time and then call it a day. Get some water, eat, and my head kind of hurts a little bit. Maybe because it's all the salt water that and then I was wearing a hat and all that. So anyways, I'm gonna call it a day. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, and as always, as always, I'm gonna end the vlog. Wait, hey, what's that? I'm ending the vlog. Anyways, as always, I'm gonna end the vlog.